Hello guys, ayan. Today is I got my Christmas present, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. So guys, we're going to unwrap this, okay? Or unboxing. So let's do it and let's check what it is. Or this is beautiful. Ayan guys. Let's see. Beautiful siya guys, oh. This is already I think with electric. Ayan guys, I need to with power, the electric, I need to charge. They have a battery inside. Ayan, there we go. And then you see, so let us try guys. Let's unboxing. O diba, very beautiful siya. So guys, I'm excited. Wait, take it out my eyeglass so I can see it better. So ayan guys, I hope did you see. I don't know how to open it. Oh, there we go. Sorry guys. So we need to tear this green. Okay, so stupid. And then, oh, there we go. So easy. Ayan guys, there we go. Oh, so there's the for example guys, how can I do it like this? See, they're telling here the paper like a the module. So how can I do it? So ayan guys, oh my god, I think this is really beautiful mga kalindo. Oh, there we go guys. So let's start here first. Tignan natin guys kung paano siya. And what is this here? So, oh my god, guys, ayan. So, I open like this. Unfold the credibility. Ayan, unfold the credibility. Credibility nga ba? Oh, creativity, sorry. Unfold the creativity. O, yan, guys. Ayan. Syunga-syunga lang ang lola nyo. So, let's see. So guys. So this is the, this is the, so this is the packet, a little bit packet, so I can bring it, no, for example. Wait, so, ayan guys, let's put it here first, and let's see what's inside more. Oh, this is the chargeable, the charging, ayan guys. It's like, what do you call it? Yeah, charger. And what is that here inside? I know. So guys, we need to look better what it's all about. So I don't want to lose something. So ayan guys. So we get already the a little packet and the charger. And there we go guys. So I think oh my god, it's like a watch. Diba? Charot. It's like a watch. So, but I don't know this guys. How can I do it? But let's see. Ayan, this is I think the, this is the stand. Ayan guys, let it unwrap. So I know already, I think. Wait guys, also they telling here how can I do it. This is guys, ayan. And what is this guys? Ayan guys, I don't know what is this. I think this is for the it's like a poem. I don't know where they use this. So they don't gonna be. So we will see guys. Let's see how they can use it. We will figure it out. Ayan guys, so for sure this is already the stand. Ayan guys, so you will see already, right? And ayan, this is it, pansit guys. So this is what I got this Christmas. Ayan guys. Yeah. Oh my god guys, ayan, how beautiful. Ayan, so this is a different selfie guys, oh my god, how this oh my god, I don't know how to do this. Also like that. Oh my god. So there we go guys. Oh my god. You see, it's automatic, guys. There we go. It's already on the red and yeah, red and green, but I don't know what is that, guys. So we will going to figure it out better. And ayan, guys. So you can put this. This is already the stand. Oh my God, guys! Like, look, oh, how can we do that? Oh, and now I know already. So, like this is on. When you wanna turn it off, they do it like that. So this is off, guys. How they put it? So like that is off. I don't know. I forget already. So guys, oh my God, it's beautiful. And this is, I don't know where is this, guys. I think this is here. Oh, oh, there we go. Oh my God, guys, this. So this. Oh, oh my God. So this is a magnet. Oh, it's already done. Oh my God. So ayan guys, let's try this. I have here the small one. Ayan, let's try, huh? This is beautiful. That's why oh my God, that's why they told me, somebody who gave it to me, oh, this is, be careful because this is very it's a difference. It's not the, it's not like a normal selfie. So ayan guys, let's try it. But how? How we can put it? So like that. Oh my God, guys, I don't know how to put this. Tama ba to? But, guys, I need to figure it out how to use it. You see, I don't know how to do it. Oh my God, guys, you see when I press here the red button, look. Oh, you see, did you see their shaking or I don't know? And this one, guys, he vibrate. I don't know what this mean, and I don't know why they are vibrating. But now I cannot take it out now no more. Oh, there we go. Oh my God, guys. Ganun pala yun. But I don't know how to put this. I think I think this is not for the, oh, I don't know. They can move like this. Oh guys, if somebody have like this, can you please tell me how? Because I don't know if this is good for the iPad. So it's like that. And then so ayan guys. I don't know. So we will try this first. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna use it first because guys, oh look at this. Automatic and very I don't know guys. So ayan guys, thank you. Ayan, thank you for watching. So I will show you this when it's already done. So I need to figure it out first. But you see guys, ayan, it's very beautiful. Maganda siya. Very, very, ayan, very ayan, you see, it's automatic. You don't need to move. When you make a selfie, it's like that. Or you see, I don't know, but I telling you guys, we need to figure it out first. So ayan, no, but I wanna know it, guys. Very beautiful. Ayan, this is the Osmo Mobile 6. Sa Osmo Mobile 6, guys. Very, very, ano talaga siya, oh. Ang ganda. It's not, it's really different, guys. Hindi siya kagaya ng ibang, it's not like the other my selfie. Because I got a lot of selfie, more than 5. It's always breaking here. So, we will try this. I think if this gonna be break it, guys, ayan. So, we can change like this. So, I can buy it another one, right? Ayan. And really good siya. So, charging siya, guys. This is very charging, mga kalindog. When the battery is empty, I need to charge only in the in the power. So, ayan. And, ayan, I don't know how to do it. So, ayan, guys, ha. Thank you. Ayan, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my unboxing. So I will show you that. I will show you this, guys, when it's done. When it's I already figure it out how to use it. So yeah, guys, thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoy my video, the unboxing, the Osmo Mobile 6. So guys, thank you. Don't forget to smile. Bye. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye.